We work, earn and learn
at the same time.
With WSDip, I get a salary. I don't need to worry about school fees. By the time I get my diploma, I will have 2 years working experience.
WLTD is an opportunity to upgrade the skills I need to progress in my career.
In class, I learn in depth, and at work, I apply that knowledge.
At ITE, we design learning that focuses on real-world situations.
I learn best when I'm hands-on.
I learn from the best. You can't get this experience in any classroom.
I have experienced mentors to guide me.
WLTD opens up new pathways for our trainees.
They are hands-on with in-depth knowledge.
They are open-minded, they are keen to learn and they show initiative.
We get committed and trained workers. They get career progression in our company.
We have a detailed training program for them when they are on the job.
We allow them to deliver as many ideas as possible from what they have learned in class so far.
They can move on to become the future leaders of the company.
I made the right decision to upgrade myself.